Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over part 3 of our Dollar General clearance event visuals. So in this one, we're going to be going over all of our cleaning products that will be included. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other Dollar General videos for you all this week, and we have a ton of crazy awesome deals going on. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go back and watch those videos and check everything out, and I will have all of those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, if you guys want to check out the description box below this video, I have also linked all of the apps and websites that I use on a regular basis for rebates, free coupons, all kinds of good stuff. So in yesterday's video, we went over all of the laundry care products, and we talked about the pngoodeveryday.com website. So I'm not going to go over all of that again, but I did want to remind you guys about the P&G products, because we do have P&G products in this video as well. Now also in this video, you're going to see some rebates that we have right now on inbox dollars, making things super cheap. So if you're not already signed up for inbox dollars, make sure that you go and check it out. And if you use my referral link, you're going to get a free $5 sign up bonus. Alright, now we have a lot of items to get to in this video, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I'm just going to let these kind of scroll across the screen here so that you guys can check out all of the individual items. We do have coupon matchups. Like I said, don't forget about the P&G products like these right here. We've got the Swiffer and the Mr. Clean products. We also have Microban included. Now also, I don't want y'all to forget about that 5 off $25 coupon that we have for Saturday. So we do have the digital coupon, and then the 5 off $25 paper coupon should still be printing on the bottom of our receipts tomorrow. So hopefully we can gather some up and come up with some really good deals for Saturday as well. But you guys, let me know down in the comment section below, when do you plan on going? Are you going first thing tomorrow morning on Friday? Are you going to hold off and wait until Saturday and use that 5 off $25 coupon? Or are you going to try your luck on Sunday, because we will have all new digital coupons and new coupon matchups, so that is going to be super fun as well. Now typically by Thursday night, I have already scoped out all of the stores around me. I have 4 stores that are relatively close, and 2 of them still have the older registers where I can use overages and pay for other products with those overages. Now, this week, as you guys know, I was pretty sick at the beginning of the week, so that kind of threw a big wrench in my plans. And ever since then, I'm just trying to catch up on things and get these videos out to you all. So I haven't even had a chance to go and scope out my stores yet. In fact, as soon as I get this video uploaded, I am going to cross my fingers, and hopefully the store is still open for me right by my house. And that's probably going to be the store that I go to first thing tomorrow morning, if they still have the items that they had on the shelf last week. So typically during a clearance event, I will go to the stores where I know that they have the items that are going to go quick, like the laundry care products, the paper products. Those types of items will sell out fast. So typically on Friday, I will go to those stores first thing in the morning, and I will pick up those items, and I will use overages to pay for those items and get a really low out-of-pocket deal. And then I will go back on Saturday and get other items that maybe I don't need as much, but they're still a really good deal, like body wash, other cleaning supplies, things that the stores have a lot of. It really just depends on the inventory and what they have in stock. And then on Sundays, your girl gets up super early. I go through all the coupons with you all. I put out a video. So on Sunday, we're going to have new coupon matchups for this clearance event. And then if we have any awesome deals, I'll go out again on Sunday, because your girl is all about these Dollar General clearance events. I mean, hands down, this is my favorite time at Dollar General. I absolutely love shopping these clearance events. And I will go ahead and point out that I have put together a pretty awesome video going over everything that you need to know in general about the DG clearance events. I throw in pro tips, the most frequently asked questions, all of those awesome things. So if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, while we still have a few minutes left in this video, I'm going to go ahead and go over a couple of questions that have been asked in the comments of the last 2 videos. So number 1, somebody asked, are all of these items going to be in the clearance section? Well, that really just depends on your store and if the employees have had time to take all these items off the shelf and move them into the clearance sections. Sometimes the employees will take the items off of the shelves during a clearance event and they will bring them up front and put them on tables. Sometimes the employees do not have time to pull these items off of the shelves in their regular spot. Sometimes they're going to be marked with a POG clearance tag, so you might see an orange sticker that says 10% off. So it is really going to vary from store to store. However, it's very important to remember that all of these items that I'm showing you guys in this video, they should be on clearance at every store, whether they're tagged, marked, in the clearance section, up on a table, or in the regular spot. They should all be on clearance starting tomorrow and be an additional 50% off because they are already clearanced items. It doesn't really matter if the employees have moved them into the clearance section or not. It really just matters that in the Dollar General system, these items are already showing up as 10% off. So starting tomorrow, they should all drop an additional 50% off. And that is why I put so much time and effort into making these videos, because I know there's a big kind of misconception out there that people think, well, the clearance is different at every store. Not every store is going to have these markdowns, and that's really not true when it comes to these Dollar General clearance events, especially when we have these POG clearance items included, because they actually send out a memo with lists of items that the employees are supposed to mark down or tag or move into their clearance section. And that is why I love these Dollar General clearance events so much, because once you know what you're looking for, you can jump from Dollar General to Dollar General to Dollar General all day long and get amazing deals. And that is also why I put in so many hours into making these slides, finding coupon matchups, rebates, all of these things. I'm not just running around here finding random items that employees have thrown into the clearance. There is a rhyme and a reason for these videos, and I try to make it as organized as possible for you and for myself. I'm not just making these videos for you guys. I go back through them myself and use these screenshots as I'm shopping so that I know what I'm looking for and what are the good deals that I need to pick up. Now, another thing that I haven't mentioned in this round of Dollar General clearance event videos is that some stores might be an additional 70% off versus the additional 50% off. And those should ring up automatically an additional 70% off. But if you're unsure of that, go ahead and ask the employee when you get there, and just double check, scan your items before you go up to the register, because if it is an additional 70% off and you have overages and things like that, we do not let the cashiers give us cash back when we have overage. You always want to throw something else into your cart so that that overage will have something to apply to. Alright guys, now we're almost to the end of this video, and I do want to go ahead and give you all a quick heads up to make sure that you all check back with my YouTube channel first thing tomorrow morning before you go to Dollar General. Because your girl is going to put in some overtime tonight. I'm going to stay up late. I'm going to put together all of the best coupon matchups. No, it's not going to be in categories like I would like for it to be, but we will have a video that we can go to and find all of the freebies, super cheap items, coupon matchups, rebates, all of the best deals wrapped up into one video. Plus, I have some new clearance event info that I need to share with you all. Plus, I'm going to be double checking all of our big ticket items to make sure that those are going to be automatically ringing up correctly at the register. I know that a few of you guys have mentioned that you had issues during the last clearance event, just like I did. So we're going to double check those in the morning, and I will give you all an update on those paper products and laundry products as well. So my Dollar Generals open up at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you know your girl is going to be one of the first ones to walk through that door. So I'm going to have that video up well before then, so just take a little note. Make sure that y'all check back with my YouTube channel before you head out tomorrow. Now, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing community here. And also, while you're at it, please do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with this Dollar General clearance event. I hope you all get out there and find some amazing deals. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.